request Antrik sir to please give the end note.
ये ऑफ है ना?
So, thank you guys for waiting us so long. We extended the event of almost around 90 minutes. We was planning to close near about the 5:15 to start distributing the swags. The people are waiting like anything. Ki, now we'll get something, now we'll get something. Again, a thank you so much for all the speakers, those who came from so long. Sayak, Anubhav, Mumbai team, as well as other people, those who came from the Nagpur, by defeating like from Chennai to east, west, north, south, from everywhere we got the multiple speakers, almost around of 23 in account, to be very precise. And we have seen so many things onto the Google Cloud today. And this is the main motive for us to do these kinds of events every year. Once in a year, the large gathering. And normally, I always speak this thing in my events, in our events, like people said, Antrik, what motivates you to organize these events? Since April, or I can say since March, end of March, we was planning for this event. And almost around 70 volunteers with us from a different engineering colleges near Pune and nearby Pune's are working with us regularly to designing, to working, to developments, to speaker coordinations, to shortlisting the people for the each and every activities. Okay, now this is my time to thanks to them, to first of all the volunteers. Without them, me, Pratik, and Nyanda, Shailesh, all four, organizer and co-organizer, was not be able to make this event successful. So a huge round of applause for all the volunteers. Second, all the speakers, those who came, those who help us to understand what's new into the Google Cloud. Thank you so much for all the speakers, those who are here, those who left. Thank you so much, guys. And in the last year, September 2022, we announced a few activities into the volunteers. Like a few ideas was in my mind to promote the college practicals and the job-oriented trainings through the GCCD or the Google Developers Group Cloud Pune side. And very huge response we got in that. So the ideas was to build a few applications for the community, by the community. Like if we have the Confab or other platforms for events, we have to pay some surcharges to them, right? If somebody wants to find the job, they have to go for other platform. If somebody wants to host some quiz application or quiz platform or quizzes through their colleges, they have to be used to other platforms. So my plan was, it was just a simple idea that before the CCD, when we was planning to 2022 CCD, it was just a simple idea, okay, what we can do. A few volunteers told me, sir, you just start, we'll come up with you, and we build these platforms. And I was thinking, I just simply in the end of December or January time, I just simply asked them, when we got the dates for the CCD near about in January to plan your CCD next event in the first quarter or second quarter of this year, I was simply asking a WhatsApp message, can I be launched onto this CCD 23? And everybody said yes. All the volunteers, all the people, those who was involved technically end-to-end the product development, end-to-end, not for the design only, the front end or the back end, to the security, to the cloud hosting, to the job scheduling, to the emailing, everything they did. And those was the 3 platforms that we are going to launch today. Event Hive, it's kind of your Confab. Quizy is kind of your Kahoot. Job Finder is only for the communities. There will be these three platforms always be free until I am here in this community. These platforms will be free for all the community members, all the college students, all the people who joins the Google Cloud community Pune. If they want to use these platforms for their organizations, for their startups, for their college, for their any college fest, that will be free. We never charge you a single rupees. That is my promise from this stage. Thank you so much again, the team, those who helps me to build these platforms. Next, we are launching again the Road to Certification program, Pune. You can scan this QR code. There will be a form, Google form. You have to fill it up, show your interest to the desired or the interested track, what you want and what you want to which track you want to follow in the certifications. We'll add you onto the group, that particular group. You will get the complete guideline, 3 months guideline, complete hand-holding from roadmaps to the labs, to the exercise, to the office hours, or whatever you just want. Don't ask us the dumps, okay? That's very clear. Do not ask us the dumps, but you will get the complete hand-holding to clear your exam. So you can show your interest over there. Whatever the certification track you are interested in, you can select that. If you want to connect with me, a few people have shown me interest, sir, in the next event we want to be volunteer or we want to be a speaker, those who are coming from the professional background. You can connect with me over the LinkedIn. I'm pretty much active on LinkedIn. And rest is covered by the Pratik, my second part, who supports me end-to-end every time, whether it's a CCD 22, whether the product development, or whether the 23 CCD. Also, this year also we have a few ideas, few plans, we are working on it. If somebody thinks they can contribute to those ideas, those plans to build those products, they can reach out to me or Pratik or any volunteer, and they will you can directly send me the message. Thank you so much, guys. And Pratik, over to you.
Okay, I hope everyone can hear me. I won't take much time. I know everyone wants to go home. Okay, so a few things. So first of all, the event has been great, and it has been made great by our community partners. So Google Developer Groups Pune, Polygon Guild, Flutter Pune, WTM Pune, and all the GDSCs, those are in Pune. FOSS United and DevCode community. So these are the communities that supported us throughout our event. So it has been a great journey with all of them. So when we were letting out the passes for CCD 2023, we made an announcement that there will be some free courses that will be giving you guys. So just sir announced the road to certification. So if you want to get some more help, this is our partners, Viz Labs. So they have 4 courses for you guys. So first one is Professional Cloud Architect, Associate Cloud Engineer, Professional Data Engineer, and the Machine Learning Engineer. So this is their website. So you can just scan the QR code, take a picture of it, and you can just use the code. You can just use the code and you can avail any one of the 4 courses for totally free of cost for 1 month. That will help you to build your certification. So I will just wait for a few seconds so you guys can take pictures. The code is GCP code blue 100. Just make a note of that. Okay. So now we announced some competition. Okay, we had one quiz also. So it's time to announce the winners for the same. So I have the names here and we'll be distributing them some cool swags. Okay. So the quiz that happened, the first winner is Vishal Bulbule. Is he here? Oh, please come up on stage. Have a big round of applause for him. Have a big round of applause, guys. second winner is Varun Kumar. Have a big round of applause, guys. Please come to this side. Okay. Now the third winner is Gyanendra. Have a big round of applause. So I also have the winners for social media campaign. But before that, as Antarik sir said, this event has been possible due to our volunteers and their constant support. A lot of late night meetings, Google Meets. I hope if you have volunteer for any events, you can relate to what I'm saying. So I would like to call the whole volunteering team on the stage. Let's have a big team photo. Guys, come up on stage.
You have to understand. You have to understand. Got to see it too late.
I request Mr. Rajat to come up on stage.
Hello. So, where is Rajat? Okay. So, do you know who is the oldest community organizer for the GDG Cloud Pune? Who handed over me this community? That is Rajat. And he never comes on the stage. Very, very less times you will see on the front faces. But he is the person who handed over me this community in the 2020. Before that, he was the person who was taking care of it. Thank you so much, Rajat, for building a so strong community in Pune.
I mean, this wouldn't have happened. What we see today, the size of the community, it wouldn't have happened without Antarik. All of us who started GDG communities back in 2012, most of us moved on with our own work, own startup. So taking out time and committing a dedicated portion of time during, especially the flagship events. Somebody like Antriksh, Mahavir, Swapnil is here. So wouldn't have happened with the folks that are the torch bearers. Yeah.
On Instagram is Sumit. The ID is SP_Sumit_. Is Sumit here? Yes. Please come up on stage. Congrats. Last but not the least, for the Twitter with the most likes is Suyesh Shinde. Congratulations to all of the winners. So this is the QR code. I will suggest, like, if you keep your cameras on, there are a few QR codes coming up. So this is our event portal QR code. So we have a lot of offline meetups and monthly events that we do. And if you want to join us as a member, you can just scan this QR code and become a member for GDG Cloud Pune, and you will get our monthly newsletter and event updates on this. So I will just take a picture. Last but not the least, feedback. So feedback is compulsory for getting the goodies. Please fill out the feedback forms. We have to show the screenshot or the last page that comes after the feedback submission to the volunteers below, and they will distribute the swags. So thank you once again everyone for joining us for this amazing day. And I hope you are taking something home. Thank you to the Bantara Bhavan managing team and all the vendors who supported us throughout this event. Let's have a big round of applause for everyone.